This is a SkyTech ArchAngel. It's a very beautiful computer. It has a great case from Thermaltake. It has the Versa M21. And on the side you can see a little window that you can see the insides on it. And when I turn it on, this is about 2 times speed. But when I turn it on, it takes about 30 seconds. And sometimes my TV can take a longer time to turn on than the computer. So this is just some gameplay. Overall, I would definitely recommend this computer, and the link will be in the description. So if you want this computer or if you're interested, then you can check it out, and see you guys next time.